Hi, parents. My name's Aaron Knapp. I'm the art teacher here at Jefferson Elementary. I just wanted to briefly go over what you can expect from me this year and what I expect from your students also. It's my intent to give your children as much exposure to different techniques in art as I can this year. So we're going to be working on fundamentals. We're going to be starting off with drawing, then moving into painting, then moving into craft, and then moving into sculpture towards the end of the year. All along the way, we're going to be talking about famous artists and how they influenced the way we look at art. In order to accomplish this, I have a couple of standards that I would like for you to help me enforce with your student. Number one, have them dressed and ready to go as though they were coming to school. Number two, have them on time or real close to being on time. Thirdly, if they could have just basic limited art supplies to work with. The art supplies that we generally use are Sharpie markers, crayons, white paper, a ruler, and maybe some colored pencils and a marker. I don't want to impose too much and have you spend a lot of your money on extraneous art supplies, but if you could have those simple basic things for them each class, that would be really helpful. That's pretty much the long and short of it. Again, I can be reached at enapp, Knapp, at eriesd.org. So if you have any questions or need to reach out to me, that's the best way to do it. I look forward to teaching your kids, and hopefully we'll all be able to be back together before too long, and we'll be able to meet in person also. Again, thank you for your support, and we look forward to making this year something special. Thanks.